Welcome. Today I'm showcasing my most recent marketplace asset, the Objective Handler version 2. I've decided to recreate this product in a much more efficient, optimized, and user-friendly way. It can be used for most video game genres, such as story-driven adventure games,
I hope there is a radio on that tower.
Souls or Souls-like projects, first-person shooters, and more. If you'd like a better understanding of the features and other functionality in this asset, you can use the link in the description to do so. If you have personal requests, questions, or concerns, you can reach me on our Discord server. The link will also be in the description. With all that said, keep creating. JPro out.
Interaction, action notifiers, objective tracking, tutorial management and prompts, an in-game notification system, timers, modular compass system, and a world marker system with screen persistent view.